Guys, going through this stuff is like Christmas morning. Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. Today I'm happy to announce that as of now, I am officially partnered with Tooley Racing, also known as BTR. So guys, I received my first box yesterday of goodies, and we're going to go ahead and go through that today. And I'm going to show you what's in the box. Down the road, I'll do videos over the items themselves, and we will also, go over why we, chose those items and what we're going to use. And in addition to that, we will do install videos. So let's get to it. I know, I cheated a little by opening the box, but I need to get the packing list out and be sure what was in the box. I was prepared, to kind of break down and show y'all. So guys, like I said in the beginning, it's like Christmas morning. I was excited. So let's start getting this stuff out. Alright guys, so the very first item, as you can tell, is we're going to do another cam swap in the Bad Attitude C10. Now, the specs on the cam are here, and I'm going to go ahead and pop up the page that's on the Brian Tooley website so you can get more information about the cam, and here it is. And when we touch on the cam later, I'll explain exactly why we chose this cam, and you're going to be amazed. Next thing up is pretty cool as well, and as you can see here, it is a box of the BTR valve springs. This is their 660 Platinum series, and the part number can be seen here, as well as the specs for it as far as the seat pressure and everything like that. And guys, these are going to be a great addition. Now, here's more information that you can find on their website, and we will be showing you how to do your installed height and measuring it and everything else in the video whenever we do it. So stay tuned. This next item is pretty cool, and BTR offers these where you can buy them by themselves, which is the LS7 lifters. Here's the part numbers, and they also offer a kit where you will get the lifters and a set of GM factory lifter trays. Now BTR recommends, as you'll find out on their website under the description of this stuff, that they highly recommend that you use factory lifter trays whenever you install new lifters. And y'all be aware of these knockoff things that are coming in from China. You want to stay with the USA made stuff. Up next, guys, is a set of push rods. Now BTR offers push rods in various sizes, diameters, lengths, however you want to say it, and this is the part number for ours, and I will go through and show you how to do the measurement on them and how we came up with what we went with. Here is some more information, as you can find on the BTR website, about the push rods we'll be running. So the next item, guys, this is pretty cool as well. I wasn't expecting a lot of things, and they popped out and said, hey, we want to send you a set of our logoed valve covers. And guys, these things are slick, they're nice, and I ended up going with the black ones with the silver BTR logo. The part number can be seen here. Since we're going to do remote mount coils, we are not going to go with the coil mounts, but they do offer them. And here's the valve covers in the colors that they do offer. You can find out more on their website. And guys, these guys are really clean. That's all I can say about that. Now, they hooked me up with some stuff I wasn't expecting to, and I did get a BTR decals. Of course, you can expect to get stickers and decals with things that you order from companies, but I was not expecting, to end up with a lot of swag. And the first thing up is this keychain, which is kind of cool. I like their little saying about may cause hearing loss on the back, and guys, to me, it's music. You get to hear Cam talk to you and everything. A standard embroidered BTR logoed hat, and it's a flex fit, guys, so this one is an extra large and actually fits my big head. It's clean, I like it. And the other hat that they sent is really neat. I haven't seen one like this before, and I hope the lighting's not too bad, you can see it, but it's actually an old school snapback, but it's camo. Can y'all see the camouflage? The lighting's a little poor, but if I turn on the other light, these LED lights make my camera distort. So I was hoping you could still see it, and they got the tag on it, and you can find out about the manufacturing and everything. But guys, that is a clean hat, and if you're into the old trucker style snapbacks, that'd be for you. And last but not least, they were able to find a Fat Boy shirt for me. So this is the BrianTooleyRacing.com shirt. Is what's on the back, and on the front is their Burnout King logo. Kind of funny, isn't it? I like it a lot. And of course, you'll be sporting the BTR logo on the sleeve. And guys, I mean, I can't be more, tickled, I guess you could say, excited at the same time. to get started on this. I got another box of goodies coming in. This one is now empty, as you can see. But y'all, if you get some time, you might want to go and check out BTR's YouTube channel. They got a whole bunch of tech stuff on there, information about parts. I'm going to pop a link to their YouTube channel as well as their website in the description of the video. And guys, if y'all want to check out what BTR has to offer, go and take a look. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'll see you then.